Sports cars come in various types, each designed with specific features and characteristics to cater to different driving preferences and needs. Here are some common types of sports cars. Number 1. Coupes. Coupes are two-door vehicles with a sleek and sporty design. They typically have a low roofline and are known for their agility and performance. Examples include the Porsche 911 and Chevrolet Corvette. Next, convertibles, also known as roadsters, feature a retractable roof that can be folded down, allowing for an open-air driving experience. They offer the thrill of driving with the wind in your hair and are often associated with leisurely cruising. Examples include the Mazda MX-5 Miata and BMW Z4. Thirdly, supercars are high-performance sports cars designed for maximum speed, acceleration, and handling. They often feature powerful engines, advanced aerodynamics, and lightweight construction. Examples include the Lamborghini Aventador, Ferrari 488 GTB, and McLaren 720S. Fourth, Gran Tourer GT. Gran Tourers are high-performance sports cars, designed for long-distance driving in comfort and style. They offer a blend of performance, luxury, and practicality, making them suitable for both spirited driving and extended journeys. Examples include the Aston Martin DB11 and Bentley Continental GT. Fifth, hot hatches. Hot hatches are compact cars with high-performance engines and sport-tuned suspension systems. They offer a balance of practicality and performance, with hatchback versatility and nimble handling. Examples include the Volkswagen Golf GTI and Ford Focus RS. Number 6. Muscle cars are characterized by their powerful V8 engines, rear-wheel drive, and iconic American styling. They are known for their straight-line speed and aggressive demeanor. Examples include the Ford Mustang, Chevrolet Camaro, and Dodge Challenger. Number 7 is track-focused cars. Track-focused sports cars are optimized for performance on racetracks, with features such as lightweight construction, aerodynamic enhancements, and track-tuned suspension systems. They prioritize agility, cornering ability, and driver engagement. Examples include the Porsche 911 GT3 RS and Chevrolet Corvette Z06. Number 8 is electric sports cars. Electric sports cars utilize electric motors for propulsion, offering instant torque and emissions-free driving. They combine high-performance capabilities with environmental sustainability. Examples include the Tesla Roadster and Porsche Taycan.